Vitamix E310 Blender Review. The Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender is a powerhouse in the kitchen, offering impressive performance and versatility for blending enthusiasts. With its robust 2.0 horsepower motor and 1400 watts, this blender can handle a wide range of ingredients, from soft fruits to tough vegetables and even ice. The variable speed control allows for precise blending, giving you the flexibility to achieve the desired texture for your recipes. One standout feature of the Vitamix E310 is its sturdy and durable construction. The blender feels well-built and capable of handling frequent use. The 48-ounce container is ideal for medium-sized batches, making it suitable for both individual and family servings. The container design also facilitates easy pouring and cleaning, adding to the overall user convenience. This blender excels at creating smooth and consistent blends, whether you're making smoothies, soups, or nut butter. The high-quality stainless steel blades are designed to handle tough ingredients, ensuring that you achieve a silky smooth texture every time. The tamper provided is a helpful addition, allowing you to easily process thick mixtures without stopping the blender. In terms of noise level, the Vitamix E310 is relatively quiet compared to other high-powered blenders on the market. While it's not entirely silent, it's more manageable and won't disturb the entire household during use. One potential drawback could be the lack of preset programs that some higher-end Vitamix models offer. However, the variable speed control compensates for this, giving users full control over the blending process. Overall, the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender is a fantastic investment for those who prioritize performance, durability, and versatility in the kitchen. While it may lack some advanced features found in more expensive models, it delivers exceptional blending results and is sure to become a reliable companion for a variety of culinary endeavors. Nutribullet Triple Prep Blender Review. The Nutribullet Triple Prep NBKS 50100 is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance that caters to the needs of individuals looking for efficient food preparation. Designed for multitasking, this device comes with 3 different containers, each serving a specific purpose, making it a handy tool for various culinary tasks. One of the standout features of the Nutribullet Triple Prep is its 3-in-1 design. The set includes a 24-ounce cup for smoothies, a 32-ounce cup for dips and sauces, and a 48-ounce precision prep bowl for larger quantities and food processing. This flexibility allows users to seamlessly transition between different food preparation tasks without the need for multiple appliances. The powerful 800-watt motor ensures that the Nutribullet Triple Prep can handle a variety of ingredients, from fruits and vegetables to nuts and seeds. The stainless steel blades are designed to efficiently chop, blend, and puree, providing consistent results across different types of foods. The compact size of the Nutribullet Triple Prep makes it suitable for kitchens with limited counter space. The design is user-friendly, with easy-to-use controls and a straightforward assembly process. Additionally, the cups and bowls are dishwasher-safe, simplifying the cleaning process and making it a convenient choice for everyday use. The device's performance in blending and chopping is commendable, creating smooth textures for drinks and finely processed ingredients for various recipes. The included lids allow for easy storage of leftovers, making it a practical choice for those who appreciate convenience. While the Nutribullet Triple Prep NBKS 50100 is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool, it's worth noting that it may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks or large-scale food preparation due to its compact size. Users looking for a more robust appliance for heavy-duty blending may need to consider higher-powered models. In conclusion, the Nutribullet Triple Prep NBKS 50100 is an excellent choice for individuals or small households seeking a compact, versatile, and efficient kitchen companion. Its 3-in-1 design, powerful motor, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any kitchen for everyday food preparation needs. I hope this review on 2 of the best-rated blenders for your smoothies and preparing your vegan and plant-based meals was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Look below in the comment section to find out where these blenders can be purchased.